What's going on, happy people? Welcome back to DIY Buildouts. Today we are going to be tackling a little DIY project with this fishing reel. I've had this thing for about 12 years. It's an all metal Penn Sargus reel. I like the reel, it still works perfectly, but as you can see, the metal handle there is exposed because the plastic cover has cracked and broken from the elements. So today we're gonna be 3D printing a replacement for this so we can put this thing back in action. So if you wanna see how I do it, stay tuned, let's dive right in. So the first step in any 3D modeling project is to get the dimensions of what you're trying to make. In this case, I jumped into Tinkercad and I knew that the shaft on my fishing reel was 5 millimeters thick and 25 millimeters long. So I went ahead and just made a very basic shape, center aligned them, and extruded it. And then I sent it over to my Elegoo Centauri Carbon 3D printer. And in this case, it took about 15 minutes to print, but first I threw my filament into a dryer because it hadn't been used in a few weeks and I just wanted to make sure it came out perfectly. After 15 minutes of runtime, I had my version 1 part in hand and was ready to put it on. All right, moment of truth, got the 3D printed part. Now we gotta see if it fits on here. This top end is 5.5 millimeters. The rest of the shaft is 5 millimeters. This whole thing is only 5 millimeters wide. I was hoping just like a compression fitting on here would make it work because there's no screw or thread I can get on this. It's just an enlarged end. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so after 3D printing this prototype version 1, it's pretty good. I was able to get it on there with a compression, just more or less forcing it on. I took the handle off and I took a rubber mallet and I just tapped it down and now it is on there nice and snug, as you can see. The plastic kind of bonded around it, which is what I wanted, but it still allows me to free spin it. It doesn't pull off at all, which is good. So it's a free spinning adjustment, or replacement, I should say. So mission accomplished.